All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So merely, yeah, something small and innocent. Merely. We are merely looking at the bird. Nothing else. Only that. I am merely recording my lessons. Yes. She is merely planning to go there. Yeah. We merely want to to climb up Ben Nevis. Yes, in Scotland. Nothing else. Yeah. The bird is merely looking around. The bird is merely looking around. Yeah. How cool is that? It was merely a small bird. Nothing else. Just nothing. Just a small bird. Small and innocent. Small and innocent. Yeah. I merely climbed up the mountain. Up the mountain this morning. Yeah. Nothing much. How cool is that? Yeah. We are merely writing a small book. Yeah, nothing much. Writing a small book. A small book. A small book. A small book. Yeah. 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 They merely want to know what you're doing. Yeah. Yeah. They will be merely talking to each other. Yeah. We will merely be talking with one another. Nothing else, just talking. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so merely, something small and innocent. Yeah. I am merely recording my lessons and you are merely learning from me. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use merely in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.